Hello, my friends. Welcome to this video. And today we're going to be talking about how to automate your interactions via WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and SMS directly into your ClickFunnels environment. So as you can see in here, I am in the Message Hub that is part of your CRM options. And one of the interesting things is that you can automate. So when someone sends you a message, you can take actions. So instead of paying for another third-party platform like MobileMonkey or ManyChat or any of those, you can have some of the same functionality built in, and then you can combine it into your ClickFunnels CRM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit on what you could do, and then from there, you can take it over. So in this case, I'm going to create a new automation rule. So if you come into your chat settings, then you come into automations, you can click automation rules. And what this is going to do is that it will allow you to start configuring what you want to happen. So in this case, I'm working on one for enabling Lulu integrations to your ClickFunnels funnels so you can send books automatically to print. So what I'm going to call it is like Lulu keyword or course. And you had to put a description. So this will respond when someone send the keyword Lulu. Okay. And in the event, you have the option to see when a conversation is created. So that means in any of your inbox, that could be Facebook, WhatsApp, SMS, or if you're using the web chat, when a conversation is created, you can start something. When there's an update, so that means that somebody sent a new message into the conversation, or when the conversation is open. In this case, I don't want to depend on the conversation. I want a message. I'm going to go message created. And in here, I have the option to say message type. So that will be the type of message. In my case, I want to do message content because I want to check that the word Lulu, it's the one that is responding. And then I'm going to go the message content, and I want to contain the word Lulu. So somebody send me that word, I'm going to respond. I'm going to do it in lowercase, make it easier. Then I'm going to add a condition. Where do I want to receive this? I want it in a specific inbox. That is the way that ClickFunnels mention it. Equals to, and now I'm going to go, I want it in WhatsApp. And you see, I can add all of mine. So I want it in SMS. I'm going to add it in here. So these are pages on Facebook. So I'm going to add those three for now, just to have an example. And then I can have an action. What do I want to do when I receive this message? In my case, what I want to do is that I want to send a message back. You see, you can assign it to someone, you can add a label, you can email someone, or you can even send a webhook as a response for this. I'm going to just send a message. And in here, thank you for your interest in our Lulu integration for ClickFunnels. Click here to join our group. Prepare now, check secrets.com such. Okay. And I can just click create. I can add additional ones. So in this case, I'm just going to click create. And now I have an automation that when someone send the word Lulu, it's going to respond. So in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into my Facebook and I'm going to start a new chat. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to send the word Lulu. And what should happen, you see, right away, I get the message that I created in my ClickFunnels environment to respond automatically. So I don't need now any other third parties to do anything. I could send them to that page. I can send them now to an opt-in form. I can send them information. And one of the things that I said, on mobile, we want to create the links automatically. And when you start creating a lot of these, it may be a little bit challenging that you remember. So what I did, I created a little tool to create the links so you can have them as an SMS or a WhatsApp or a Messenger. So in this case, yeah. And in this case, I will do Lulu as the link. And when I click generate, it's actually creating the link that now you can put it anywhere in your emails. You can say, hey, join my challenge, or click here for more information. And you can then automatically start using Facebook. Let's say that you want this to go as an SMS text. You can go and say, okay, this is going 946377754. That is my number in ClickFunnels. I need to put the international number. Okay. And now it's creating an SMS link. So I can then respond with a message directly from Messagehub. So there you have it, my friends. You have the link beneath you in this video that it will show you how you can leverage the tool. And now you can optimize everything that you're doing in your marketing, and you can integrate it into your ClickFunnels. My friends, we'll see you in our next video.